Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are back. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that and see what other goodies they have to offer. What if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. We shall see what they sent us. Thank you guys for sending this for a review. Oh, baby. And we got everything out. That is a good thing. Should be an easy video coming from CUKTECH. Powered by CUKTECH. Oh, baby. We got a power bank. Yep. I do believe. Ooh. Got some weight to it. That's a good thing, though. Especially for these 40 watts input. Maximum has 55 watts. 20,000 mAh. High capacity Type C. Output port Type C. USB A. Input. All the goodies right here. Alright. So definitely check these guys out. If you're in a need, especially all you travelers going around, definitely going to need to pick up something like this. Maybe a couple of them, you know? All depends on what you need to charge. But I think all you need is one. Because this could handle multiple devices. Laptops, desktop, or tablets, iPads. You name it. This could handle it. We'll test it out on a few things. So stick with us, grab some popcorn, and let's see what this magic of the CUKTECH. Okay, so they have different colors. And they sent me all these goodies. Bam. Thank you for choosing CUKTECH. Okay. And of course, we got the trusty manuals, the important information guide, and here we go. Built-in cable. Oh, so I don't need to find cables. Oh boy, here we go. Alright, guys. Comes with the cable, so that's always a good thing to go. So it's ready to go. Ready to charge. Ooh. I'm liking this. Tech. Right here. Speed there. Power button there. Okie dokie, we got the tablet out. Everyone should have a tablet or an iPad. Make sure I got it. There we go. Flip the right way. So, like I said, it's always a good thing to have a extra cord. And I could just plug my duster. I could just plug that in to this. Like that. Bada boom, bada bing. Ooh. Gotta add some juice. I don't have to turn it on. That's good. And then, as you can see, should be. Yep, there we go. Now we are fully on. As you can see right here, fully testing this out. And slide this down. Yep. Oh. Get back here. There we go. Fully charging, which is a good thing. You can see right there it's charging. But yeah, super lightweight. Definitely check these guys out. Bada boom. Bada bing. It is a good thing. So like I said, if you're in the market for a new power bank, grab a couple, you know. Maybe a gift, stocking stuffers. Always think ahead of the curve, you know. And check them out. Link's going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you guys hopefully soon.